Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I experimented with ink, crayons and watercolors in my sketchbook and how I painted this painting. My name is Marta Nowicka. I'm a visual artist, Polish visual artist based in the US. I'm a painter, printmaker and also a coach and an expat. So I will just leave you with the music. I will put down in the description links to the materials I used. So basically I used India ink. I used my favorite Aquarius watercolors by Roman Szmal, and I used Caran d'Ache crayons. So enjoy the music, enjoy the painting, and let me know in the comments, do you use inks and watercolors in your work? Do you like painting abstract, expressive paintings like this one? And thank you for watching. Bye.